Hello and welcome to online edu classes of Brilliant Public School by Kailash Kumar sir. Today in this video we are going to study the next interesting chapter of class 5 English, that is chapter 14, The Pied Piper of Hamelin, the one who ratted out the denizens of Hamelin. This poem is written by Robert Browning. So, in order to protest, the first man, waving his fists in anger, says, "It's clear that our mayor is a fool." So, he is expressing his opinion about the mayor, that he is a fool person. First woman, by rolling her eyes, she is saying, "Our corporation is no better." Second man is saying, grinding his teeth in anger, "If the mayor and the corporation don't get rid of these rats, we are going to get rid of them instead." The crowd chanting behind and saying, "Get rid of the rats, get rid of the rats, get rid of the rats." So, this is the condition of the protest there. The people were fed up with the rats in the town of Hamelin, so they came there to protest against these all things. Next we have Act 1, Scene 3. This is a continuation of the previous scene. We see the corporation and the mayor still seated around the table, racking their brains for a solution. The angry mob around them has dispersed. Racking their brains means thinking very hard. So the mayor and the corporation members, the council members, are still thinking very hard to come out of this problem. While the time the angry mob which was there to protest, they had dispersed. Mayor, brooding. Brooding means upset and worried. So mayor says that we have tried everything. These rats are giving me a headache. If only there was a way to get rid of them all at once. So mayor is expressing his inefficiency, that he has tried everything to get rid of these rats, but it's all of no use. The same time there is a sound on the door, knock knock knock. So mayor felt excited. God bless us all. Who do you suppose is outside the door? Corporation member, mildly startled. So he was little bit quietly astonished. He said, "Come in." Enter the Pied Piper, a gangly man dressed like a jester. Gangly means someone who is tall, thin, and awkward in movements, very funny. Jester means a professional joker during ancient times. So, this was the appearance of the man, the Pied Piper, who knocked outside the door, and when he came in, everyone was surprised to see him. Pied Piper, walking towards the council and mayor, says, "Please, your honors, allow me to be of assistance. Please, your honor, give me a chance to help you all. I have a magic flute, and with it I can lead any creature under the sun." So, I have such a magic flute with which I can drag anyone under the sun. Means he had such a power in that magical flute that he can do whatever he want by power of possessing and hypnotizing through the sound of the flute. Pied Piper proudly striking a pose. So he was confident enough, that's why he said, and he had such a deal with mayor. He says further, "Last June I freed a town from swarms of flying insects just a week ago. I eased Asia from their monstrous bats. I can rid it of all its rats. All I ask in return is a payment of 1,000 guilders." Guilders, A unit of money earlier used in Netherlands. You can see the currency here. Mayor exclaiming in astonishment, 1,000 guilders. Well, pay you 50,000. So mayor is trying to bargain here by saying that 1,000 guilders is quite more amount. So we are going to pay you 50,000 for your work if you are successfully dragging out the rats from the town Hamelin. Right, children? So this much in this video. Thank you all. I hope this all things, the first video, the first part is clear to everyone, and the remaining part of the chapter in the form of second video and third video will continue in the next ones. So thank you all. Have a blessed day. Stay well, stay safe, and study well. Thank you all.